Hey friends, today let's make this one pot meal recipe, chicken pulao. So let's get started. For this you will require cleaned and washed 500 grams chicken. So first we are going to marinate this chicken. These are just roughly cut pieces of chicken. I am keeping this aside. For the marination, first I am taking ginger and garlic. So here I am taking an inch of ginger. And then I am going to take 9 cloves of garlic. I am going to crush this well. So if you don't have fresh ginger or garlic, instead you can use ready-made ginger garlic paste, that is 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. So I am going to add this crushed ginger garlic to this chicken. So now I am going to keep this aside. To this I am going to add masalas. So here I am adding 3/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. I am using this much turmeric powder because this will act as a food color as well. So that's why we need 3/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. We are not going to add any food color to our pulao. To this I am adding 1 teaspoon of salt. And here I am adding half lemon juice. So I have taken 2 small pieces like half of a lemon and I am going to squeeze the lemon juice in it. So after adding the lemon juice, I am going to add thick curd, which is homemade curd. So if you don't have homemade curd, you can buy a store-bought thick curd, or instead you can buy plain yogurt. So here I am adding 2 tablespoons of thick curd. I am going to combine this well and I am going to coat each and every piece nicely. So this lemon juice, turmeric, garlic, ginger, curd, everything will tenderize our chicken. This will soften our chicken and our chicken will be very juicy. So now I am going to marinate this, cover and marinate this in fridge for 20 minutes. So here I am soaking my rice as well. I have taken 1.5 cup of regular rice, that is 390 grams. So you can use basmati rice, but for biryani we use basmati rice. For pulao we use the regular rice. So which is easily available in the house, you can use that rice. To this I am going to add regular tap water and I am going to wash this thrice. You need to wash this thrice so that each and every dirt particles of the rice goes away. So I am going to wash this thrice. After washing this, I am just going to fill this with regular filter water. So I am using filter water only an inch above. Like you can see, there is only an inch above. You can see my finger, the difference. So I am going to cover this and let it soak for 20 minutes. For the whole masalas, here I have taken 1 small piece of cinnamon stick, 2 peppercorns, 4 cloves, 2 green cardamoms, 1 star anise, 2 bay leaf and 1 black cardamom. So in a kadai, here I am adding 4 tablespoons of regular oil. To this I am adding 2 medium sized raw potatoes. I have cut these potatoes chunky. So this will taste very good in our pulao. So I am going to fry this for like 4 minutes on medium flame. But I need to continuously stir this so that it doesn't stick underneath. So now potatoes are fried. I am going to keep this aside. So to this same oil I am going to add half teaspoon of shahi jeera. So if you don't have Shahi Jeera, instead you can use half teaspoon of cumin seeds. And to this I am going to add the whole spices which I showed earlier. I am going to stir this for few seconds, just roughly for few seconds, and I am going to add my sliced onions. So here I have taken 2 sliced onions, 2 big sliced onions. I'm going to combine them and fry them until they are crisp. We don't want them to burn, but they should look like crisp and like golden brown, nice color. So now our fried onions are ready. To this I'm going to add the marinated chicken. So after adding the marinated chicken, I'm going to combine this well, and I'm going to fry this on medium flame for 4 minutes, 3 to 4 minutes. I'm going to continuously mix this. So if you like this video, do share it among with your friends, your family, and this will give me motivation to make more such videos. So after 4 minutes, here I have taken one whole green chili. I'm just going to break it into half, and I'm going to add this into our chicken. To this I'm adding 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. I have taken a little extra red chili powder, as you can see in this video. Like it's a heap full of red chili powder. To this I'm adding 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Half teaspoon of cumin powder. And half teaspoon of garam masala powder. So if you don't have cumin powder, you can just take the regular cumin, you can just roast it for few seconds, and you can just crush them, and your fresh cumin powder is ready. So I'm going to stir this well. So after combining, I'm just going to cover this and cook on low flame for 5 minutes. Exactly, only for 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, you can see the difference. The chicken is cooked well. The color has drastically changed. So now to this I am going to add sliced tomatoes. So here I am adding 1 medium sized sliced tomato. To this I am going to add the fried potatoes, which we had kept aside earlier, and I am going to combine this well and cover and cook for another 5 minutes on low flame. So after 5 minutes, you can see the chicken is looking much tender and the color has much changed. So I'm just going to combine this well. This is a very simple and easy recipe. Like you don't need lot of vessels. Only in one vessel you can easily make a tasty meal. So now I'm going to add 3 cups of water. So I had taken the same measuring cup which I had taken for rice. So for 1.5 cup of rice, I have to take 3 cups of water. So don't add much more water because the chicken tends to leave water. So I'm just adding 3 cups of water. So now I'm going to combine this well, and I'm going to bring this to one boil. So now we can add the soaked rice. Do not add the water of soaked rice, just the soaked rice you need to add. To this I am adding 2 tablespoons of clarified butter, which is also known as ghee. So if you don't have ghee or clarified butter in your country, so instead you can use the regular butter. To this I am adding a handful of coriander leaf, freshly chopped coriander leaf, and 1 teaspoon salt. I am going to combine this well and cover and cook for 20 minutes on low flame. See how easy this recipe is. Do try this recipe, friends. It's very tasty. So after 20 minutes, our delicious pulao is ready. First switch off the flame. Now combine and mix the pulao gently. So once all our pulao is mixed, so just serve it after 20 to 25 minutes. Don't serve immediately. Just again after mixing, just cover this pulao with the same lid and just mix and just serve after 20 minutes. I wish you friends or guys were here. This is so aromatic and so tasty and so delicious. You need to try this recipe once. It's very delicious and very mouth-watering. So I'm going to serve this only after 20 minutes. I'm just going to close the lid. So after 20 minutes, our delicious pulao is ready to serve. Do serve it with some pickled lemon or sliced onions or some yogurt or green chutney or fried papad or roasted papad. Do try this recipe and give your feedback on the comment section below. So I am enjoying my pulao. You need to hurry back to your kitchen and make this pulao. Thank you for watching.